Hello guys, so um here is another short recap. I I think I was here. I was enter here. I opened my computer here, but I had problem with the software. It didn't give me to see the prices. I saw an opportunity with Tesla after it's let's check it on the 60 minute and see what I'm talking about. I saw it when I entered. It broke above the 139, so I knew it will want to touch the 179. So I knew the momentum is up. I went to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, I see the divergence. If I can open the can, yeah. On the 1 minute, I see the divergence there. You here, so I know there is still a good momentum to the upside. Um, and then I went to the 15 minutes, 15 seconds. Sorry, let's delete it. And what I saw is this. Check it out. I didn't watch. Yeah, as I told you, I don't watch the graph. I want I have an indicator of momentum and algorithm of entry point. So basically, it almost did something like this. I wanted to capture it live, but I failed to do so. I saw this line. So I told myself, if I see the momentum and the stochastic above the 30, this is the 30 line. And what it did here, this is the 15 seconds, it did a spike up. The spike up is a big momentum which push the stochastic higher. And this is the reason why after it's closed, after 15 seconds it's closed, I knew it had no chance to coming back, and it will want to reach the over sold area. So I entered, and then suddenly my my trading platform froze. So I heard and I got on my phone that I got filled, but I didn't see anything. It's just fraud, so I had to restart. This is the reason why you don't see it alive. And I saw I got filled with the 107142, and I had to wait and see what happened, and I didn't see anything. So I see the momentum up, and I said, "Oh, it's good." But then what I did, I closed my platform and restarted, and I check on my phone what the stock is doing, and then I see the falling on the 1070, which was my initial stop loss, and I wanted to press sell, but I told myself, no, there must be a reason why you can't press it. And then I see the big pull because this is a straight line. And let me erase it again. This is a straight line with the and this is a higher low. So small divergence, which means that it should be doing a reversal. So then immediately it break above, and I said to wait, and then when my platform open up, I immediately press sell because I was afraid that it will stuck again. When I have the opportunity, I just press sell, and it give me this, and it continue higher. But it's okay because I could do it. I think is again much larger ADR. 77. Maybe I could. I don't know if I would see the graph and the momentum. I would press maybe 2 seconds later, and I could get more. But it's okay. So I'm finished today because I'm afraid that my platform has some trouble. I need to probably see what happened. But again, I think the stock want to touch the 180. See this line and see what happened there. The 170, if it won't break the 170 and it hold, it will create a divergence. Even now, it create. Let's hope it will create a divergence and won't hit the 170, but the momentum will hit below. Yes, this is now buy. I needed to buy. If it won't close below and many people will buy it, you have a good divergence. See now, continuation for the long, but let's hope. It's a 15 seconds, guys. Good, now reversal. I need small candle, small, no, don't break. If it break, it will fall. And it will fall here and do something like this, and then a big fall. Yes, it break. So it break the pattern. So now you could wait and take after a small reversal to the short side. You need an entry now. This is how you trade it live. You want to see something. If it failed, you immediately do something else. And now it's breaking and breaking the 65. Let's hope it found a resistance here. Let me check my algo. Yes, it will found here a resistance. Maybe we'll push higher a little bit for a short reversal of about $3 to $5 reversal. Let's see if it do it now. Yes, now it did. You see, it did 5, yeah, 3, yes, almost $3 reversal. Yes, it's 67, 60, almost. Let's see if it want to touch it. It has some momentum to the upside. It will, let's see if it rests on the 65, 66, and we'll do another attempt higher. But there is no divergence, so it break your pattern. And if it breaks 65, it will fall down again. And then you have an entry point to the 60. Let's see. Yes, it broke it. Let's see how it goes. No, it didn't. It closed below. See what happened. Now it is a 68. Splash out the people. Move up. But there is no divergence. I won't enter. And I have no pattern here. So if I'm trade like the 15 seconds, there is no pattern. Maybe here I will wait to the 50 and see how it touches. So probably the 50 will be above the 170, but there is no pattern. There is just not yet. There is no pattern yet. I needed to touch the 65 again, maybe, or the 66, and then pull higher, and then it will give me an entry point. Preferably it will hit the 65 because this will be a straight line and this will be a higher, so reversal. So let's see. This is how you trade reversal. On my algo, there is a pattern of divergence. So I needed to rest on the 65 and give me an entry point. So yes, in this area, there is a reversal. So let's hope so. Yeah, probably from here to there. This is much. This point is lower, but this point is higher. So there is from this point to that point, there is a reversal point of continuation. So let's see if something like that. I wanted to cross above the 50 to give me a confirmation of positive momentum. But as you see what it's doing? Want to touch the 50, 65, maybe 66. Let's check the number. This is, you see the low, 66. Let's see what happened if it touched. I wanted to touch preferably the 65 and hold the 65. If it will hold the 65 and it's give me something like this, a cross above, which will mean it want to push higher, it will then go to the 70. You see this point? People who talk short here, okay, they close all their positions there. Now you can go long. Let's see if my indicator, no, not yet, not yet. I needed to cross above the 68, something like that, because it can do another push to the 66, 67, and then go higher. So if I'm scalping, I can go on the 66, stop loss 65, and then it will go higher. And you see, boom, profit taking. This is a profit taking now. See what happened. This is live, guys. This is something like this. You see, it was here, rangey. You can go long here, but I told you, let's see another touch on the 66. Stop loss $1 and see what happened. 1, 2, 4. Yes, 1 to 4, guys. Easy trading. Basically the same here, just I didn't have it on the live. Sorry, guys. Sell, give some. Now there is momentum to the upside. But the momentum now is up. Break the 70 again, the momentum up, and the next level, and then it will 70 some area. Nice. Don't tell me I didn't tell you. Selling. How the algo works. Exact where are the selling pressure, where is buying pressure, and when to enter. And it works on any time frame. Like today, trade daily. If you daily, of course, won't be able to exit after 30 seconds because think that I made my day with second chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 minutes. I finished the day. 1, 2, 4, 1, 1. So one and almost, let's say, half exit, then stop loss for entry. Then I told you to take another partial here, so you probably finish. If it, yes, it's have momentum to the upside, but this is the last moment. Probably so I just when I want to render, I noticed that my mic didn't work quite good. So what I wanted it's to do, this was live. The last momentum was for me for the 75, and then to go on a reversal. Remember, this is the 15 seconds chart, and I'm trading from my algo. Even though you have the stochastic, and I'm draw it for you where to enter and how to trade with the stochastic. Sometimes the stochastic give you a leggy entry, and I'm trying to cherry pick my entry exactly when my indicator, my algo give me the right let's say, the right entry, because any chart, even if I trading the 15 seconds, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, the algo is working with the price action only. So it give me where is the big pressure of sellers and buyers, so when to enter and when to exit. And you saw how it helped me even here to enter and exit and put my exit at the right spot. So it also helped me to most of the time to field exactly. So I know even here I could exit a little bit more, so a couple of cents, but my third partial, it was on the 75. So I basically talked about 30 minutes, but my mic didn't work, and I'm talking what the price action will do and what my indicator will do and when it's gonna fall. So I will, because, sorry guys, I will pause it and just give you some pics from the moment and how I prepare myself for a trade, so you can see it and hope it helps you. So I will pause now and let's go for this. So for the next trade, this is a fast forward. You see it again. I pointed out that it hit the 70 50 area and then will bounce again, and now I'm drawing the divergence that is building up because the price action is making lower highs and the indicator, the stochastic, giving higher highs. So I'm waiting for a short. You see the sellers entering with the indicator pushing very lower, and so now I'm waiting to give my, so the indicator will give me entry point. Now this is a waiting because the indicator give me a wait for the short, don't go long. Even though you see the building is a nice build up formation of a long position, I'm waiting for a short position. And I'm waiting for confirmation, and this is what happened. You see it, even many people wait it to break the 75. And see now, this is a fast forward, so it's not the 15 second. You see now I'm waiting. Now I had the indication, and I draw where I want to go short. But this is scalping entry. Of course, you can do it on the 1 minute, and then you see what this is. Now go enter, and the exit is on the 70. You see, I state when I want to exit, and then the price action doing exactly. And now if you go short, you could do a nice exit, a nice profit again. And sorry you couldn't hear me talking because it was live, so it was like a live thought. And now I'm making a get for another reversal, and you see this is a small reversal because there is no build up. It just the price go lower, the indicator go higher. So this is a small reversal. Usually don't like to take small reversal. And now I'm waiting for see what happened. Now I'm saying that the price action enter into a range bound, which means it will move between the 70 to the 70 to the 75, 76 area. Okay, so now I'm, let's see it here. Where it, no, I don't think it was here. Yes, now, okay. So now I'm waiting for enter long, because this is a range, so a lot of people will buy on the 70. So I'm waiting for confirmation to enter long. And now see what, let's see if I draw it. Now let's see what happened. The indicator is giving higher lows, the price action lower lows. So this is an indication of going higher. Now I'm drawing it. You can go above the indicator where I put the line, or now I put the line for the entry point. So this is going to be very fast. Now you enter and big move to the upside. You take your first profit, put your stop loss at your entry, another attempt to the 76 it was, and exit. That's it. This is 1 to 4, 1 to 5 trade, just with the stochastic and waiting game. Now I'm drawing, see what happened here. I'm trying to see if the indicator, if the stochastic, simple stochastic will tell me where to put the stop losses if the line hit it. If let's say you just with the trade, and see what happened. I wanted to go long if it hits and then it breaks. So stopped out with a winning trade if you have some shares. See how it reached the 68. And I wish you could hear me talking live because I stated this is now a momentum to the downside. Just give example how you can enter with the indicator, although I'd not recommend to enter with indicator because it can be laggy. And I say if I want to go long, I wanted to see the price action do something like this, while the indicator do something like divergence for the long side. And you will see what happened. Let's see if it's here or I ended. I told you can enter a small reversal, but it's a very weak reversal. And see again 1 to 2, 1 to 3, small reversal. It's a very weak reversal. And it's a weak reversal because the ATR of Tesla is very big, so it's very dangerous entry. But the momentum from now then will be to the short size, and this is it, guys. I think later Tesla reached the 60. So hope you like it, hope you subscribe, and see you guys later.